What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. If you haven't met me before, my name's Garrett and I like to review gear, mainly headphones these days, and I like to unbox things. So today we have a pair of gaming headphones that we are going to unbox and test out to see if it lives up to expectations, because it says on the box that it's the #1 gaming headset. We're going to find out today by unboxing it and finding out, will the Turtle Beach Atlas 1 live up to expectations? Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Pretty cool, pretty slick. Did you know that it is glasses friendly? That is pretty cool. It connects to multiple platforms, so it can connect to not only your PC, but your Xbox One, your PS4, your mobile, and your Nintendo Switch. On the back, it has some specs. It says it's durable comfort. It has a flip-up microphone. It's glasses friendly, once again. It has a high quality 40mm speakers. I'm super excited to try it out. It also comes with a 3.5mm jack and a PC splitter cable. So that's pretty cool. Let's open it up. I'ma get my scissors and cut it open. Okay. So straight away inside the box, you've got a cable for your headphones. And then got the actual headphones themselves. And then instructions. Let's throw the box away and have a look. This is just some support from Turtle Beach for the headphones, the warranty information. Let's just chuck that away. We got a cable. And we got another cable. Let's just open this right up. Nice. Whew. Okay, so first impressions, I'm pretty impressed with the build quality. Basically, that is really nice, really slick. In terms of the padding, it's really nice. Really cool. This is the flip out microphone. This is really nicely built. So, let's try them on. Oh wow, they do feel a bit plasticky, like around here, a little bit plasticky, but that's okay. The pads are really nice. This is, it's almost noise cancelling. Yeah, it does feel quite plasticky, but it is quite nice. The pads are really, they do feel a little bit stiff because it is very plasticky, but it should settle down and should become a little bit less stiff over time. In terms of how it looks kind of sick. Yeah, these are really nice. I want to check out the sound quality of these. I'm gonna phone my brother and see how he feels about it. So this is an in-call test. Hello? Hello, how's the audio on these headphones? Can you hear me pretty clearly? You can? Like, is it good? Is it good? It's like a normal phone call. Okay. Yeah, I'm just checking. Is that the microphone being hit? Okay, cool. So you are getting audio from the microphone. Cool. And is it clear? Pretty clear? Okay, cool. Just wanted to check the audio on these this headset. Alright, bye. Bye. Okay, so that was an in-call test. The audio is pretty good. My brother said that the audio is like being right next to the phone and it sounds pretty clear. So that's good. Let's try it out with some music. Hey, it's not too bad actually. Like, it's a pretty like flat sound. Like, you're not getting much in the bass. Like, you're not getting too much in the bass, which is good. The high end isn't as like clear as like some of the higher end headphones, but it's still sounding pretty clear. I could easily like listen to these headphones. The sound is a little bit dull, but it's quite nice. It's quite nice. Pretty good. Alright, the next thing is just listening to some audio while you're playing some video games and seeing how that goes. I'm going to try out these headphones while listening to a YouTube video and seeing if it's pretty good. So it's pretty good. It's not really 360 audio, it's just stereo audio. You're still getting that dynamic range of like things in the foreground, things in the background, obviously. The only thing I'm really thinking of is the comfortability of these headphones, like, because they feel pretty plasticky and pretty they're pretty clunky. They're not exactly the best, most comfortable headphones I've ever worn in my life, but they're still pretty good. Like, the sound quality is good. So in terms of what I feel about these headphones, the lower end is really good. The high end, not so good. The mids are a bit flat. What's cool is they're adjustable. It does feel a bit plasticky, especially with this part. And it's not as comfortable as what I would like it to be for a pair of headphones, especially for gaming, because you're going to be gaming for a while. For the price, the design is pretty cool, how it all looks. So that's my review on the Turtle Beach Atlas ones. If you want to see more reviews and unboxings, check out my other videos on my YouTube channel. We've got plenty more for you guys to see. Have a good one.